So, hello everyone, good afternoon. This day we're going to do some pretty exciting things. I'm going to unbox 22 kilograms of Fiji cultured aquarium rock. It's from TMC, Tropical Marine Center, and I achieved it a few hours ago from my local fish store. Well, it's for my nano aquarium, it's for my Aqua Medic Blenny, well, which should be quite enough rock for this Blenny. I'm going to cut this box and see what's inside. There it is. Okay. Difficult. So we have a big box, and I see it is a bit in old papers, newspapers. So I think we have some very nice pieces over here. I hope you can see it from here. This looks like there is pretty much life on it, and I already have some fresh water, salt water, which is also new for me because I use Pro Reef sea salt from Tropical Marine as well, which I haven't used before, and now I'm going to try to. Wow. This one is looking very much alive. I see all kinds of things on it. And let's see, can you, I don't know if, wow, I see there's a lot going on these rocks, that's for sure. And the sizes are pretty nice as well, because they will fit very nice into the tank. I can see that already. Yes, there are some orange stuff going on. I know exactly what it is. Looks within water. That's 3 pieces of rock, which, well, I'm not even close to half. Oh man, I see a lot of, well, old coral stuff, but that's not going to grow, I think. And I think that some nice rooms for, well, whatever, for everything. Let's put it in this one. Okay. This is quite a large piece. Well, it's quite heavy as well, and it feels very solid. I don't know if you can see what's all going on. It's with a lot of orange and purple on it, which should be nice. Okay, I hope I have enough water for this. Okay, well, thanks. Wow. Yes, this is the good stuff. This is the good stuff. I think, I don't know if you can focus manually. Let's take a look. Ah, this should be better. What about this? Yes. Okay. Very nice pieces. In size. Ooh, this one is going to be a lot more green. See, nice piece, nice colors as well. Okay, should be fine. Man, this is a lot. I haven't seen any moving parts. Well, what do I I don't know if I want to see any moving parts. No crabs, no other hitchhikers. But the pieces are very nice. This one is very purple and reddish. Okay. This is a nice big one as well. And some old corals, which I'm not going to grow again, I think. Oh, something going on. I hope you can see this. It's looking very nice to me. Looking very nice. Okay. And I already can see, because I like to escape my tanks in very... Look at this, look at this. Wow. Ooh, what is... I don't know about that thing. Maybe it's alive, maybe it's not. We will find out later. I'm going into my... Oh, this is a nice piece. I can see from the... Man, this is a nice one. With all kind of shapes, things on it. Very nice colors. A bit dark, but not too. And the smell, well, there is hardly any smell now. Well, it smells like sea, a bit like sea, but not too much. Wow, this is, I think this is the nicest one. Okay, it still fits in the water. Okay, now we have some little parts, which are still very nice to use. There, a small part. Okay, and a few more, well, I don't know. Oh, it's a small part, but it is nice to see. Look at this one. And of course, in another video, I'm going to show you what it looks like in the Aqua Medic Blenny, which I already have. But then you need to make a nice cabinet.